This little tutorial is designed to help you get started doing HTML and cascading style sheets, as well as transferring files from your computer to the internet. I'm going to show you how to do things here at the University of Kansas. If you're not a KU student, obviously you'll use a different system, but all the basics are the same. Now, why learn basic HTML and cascading style sheets when there's all kinds of full-featured web editing programs and blogging platforms that don't require you to know CSS or HTML? Well, it comes down to a couple of basic things. One is that just about every publisher or other website that accepts submissions of your work, whether they be reports or papers or simple blog posts or other sort of additions to larger content management systems, just about all of those require you to understand basic HTML and CSS to be able to take advantage of the power of that website, and also to be able to make changes and edits and to understand what it is that you're uploading. For example, if you were to try and copy and paste a Word document into a content management system for a website, you would end up really messing up their site, and they would have to clean it up or else just strip all of your formatting, and you end up with just a big block of text anyway. So that's one reason. And another reason is that once you become proficient at doing HTML and CSS, basic website editing, you'll be much more attractive to potential employers, to your current employers. It will also give you a lot more power in your daily life in being able to manage and edit your own websites, as well as to give full-featured blogs and other kinds of tools.